The NBA Finals is the annual championship series of the National Basketball Association. The Eastern and Western Conference champions play a best-of-7 game series to determine the league champion. The winners of the finals are awarded the Larry O'Brien Championship Trophy, which replaced the Walter A. Brown Trophy in 1983. The series was initially known as the BA Finals prior to the 1949-50 season, when the Basketball Association of America merged with the National Basketball League to form the NBA. The competition oversaw further name changes to NBA World Championship Series from 1950 to 1985, as well as a brief stint as the Showdown, before settling on NBA Finals in 1986. Since 2018, it has been officially known as the NBA Finals presented by YouTube TV for sponsorship reasons. The NBA Finals was initially structured in a 2-2-1-1-1 format. In 1985, to ease the amount of cross-country travel, it was changed to a 2-3-2 format, where the first two and last two games of the series were played at the arena of the team who earned home court advantage by having the better record during the regular season. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.